trade, Gingo, do it only. Plus you must be sure.
Hello traders, it's Pando with you, and in today's video, as always, we will conduct a technical analysis of two currency pairs, and let's talk about the rules of divergence. And by the way, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel to always be in the know and replenish your knowledge base about trading. So let's move on to the analysis of the first currency pair. This is Australian dollar and Japanese yen. So, what do we see on the graph? We see that in the past our trend was moving up, and having reached the resistance area, it went down to the consolidation zone, which indicates to us that the trend will grow up. And indeed, after a short time, our trend went up to the local resistance area. Then we see the trend bounce down to the support area and rise up, and one gets the feeling that we are waiting for a confident rise of the trend up in the future, but as my experience tells me, we are waiting for a rebound down with the formation of a local resistance area. So I will go to pocket option, where I will open a down trade for 3 minutes and wait for it to end. In the meantime, while we wait, let's talk about the rules of divergence. For the successful use of divergence, it is advisable to adhere to the following rules: minimums and maximums. For divergence, the following conditions must be present. The price renews upper highs or lower lows, double top, and double bottom. When the price renews these highs and lows, there is a trend. This is the breeding ground for divergence. And if there is no trend and all you see is consolidation, then you cannot wait for divergence in it. Draw lines between vertices. The price is in only two states: a trend or consolidation. Connect its peaks with lines in order to understand the essence of what is happening. If one top is lower or higher than the other, it is a trend. The market is sweet and accessible. If there are no clear updated highs and lows, then there is a consolidation, and divergences do not play a special role in it. And of course, it may seem that all this is a complex science, but I have a free Telegram channel where I give free signals with which you can figure out how it works and make money. Follow the link in Telegram and subscribe to the channel with signals. Also, soon there will be a lot of useful information and training material. Subscribe so as not to miss out, become a professional in trading, and receive daily profits. And by the way, I have great news for you friends, because now I give signals for both open and closed Telegram channels. I also created a new training format for an open Telegram channel, where you will learn a lot of new things for yourself, and of course, I will send you even more cool trading strategies. And of course, the trading robot will also be available very soon. Well, it seems our deal has come to an end, and just by understanding and analyzing how the market works, I put $460 in my pocket. Good result, but I know for sure that you want more. Therefore, let's mostly move on to the analysis of the second currency pair, and this is Australian dollar and US dollar. So, what do we see here? Here we have everything easier. The trend in the past moves up and then reached the resistance area from which it slightly went down, reflecting the consolidation zone, which indicates to us the trend movement up. However, having reached the oversold area, we can see a steady downward trend movement, and as my experience tells me, this movement will continue in the future. I think it's time to go to pocket option, where I will open a down trade for 3 minutes and wait for it to finish. And while we wait, let's continue talking about the rules of divergence. We connect the vertices. Let's be more specific. Has the price made new highs? We connect their tops. If it has updated the lower lows, we connect them. And don't be confused. A fairly common mistake is that the price renews the highs, and for some reason a novice trader connects the previous lower lows. Why, friend, can you see that the price highs are being updated? There is an uptrend. What are you drawing down here? Look only for overbought and oversold conditions. We have connected the peaks with trend lines. Now we study the readings of the oscillator. Remember, we are only comparing highs and lows. It doesn't matter what MACD or stochastic show in the middle of the chart. What's the difference? No, we are only interested in their boundary values. Everything else does not matter. And my task is to help you both in psychological terms and in technical analysis. Therefore, I will not tire of reminding you to like this video, pushing it up in YouTube trends, and subscribing to the channel. Be sure to subscribe to my Telegram channels with signals. And I'll remind you that now I give signals for both open and closed Telegram channels. I also created a new trading format for an open Telegram channel where you will learn a lot of new things for yourself, and of course, I will send you even more cool trading strategies. And of course, the trading robot will also be available very, very soon. Well then, the deal is over, and of course it ended in a plus for me, which means that I earned another $455. Not bad. In general, I put in my pocket $915 just being good at trading. So, pay attention to details, keep your head cool, and knowledge is always at hand. Panda was with you. See you.
Bend, trade, bend, trade, bend, trade, bend, trade, bend.